In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your virtual background in Zoom. This feature is not only fun, but it can also be really practical, especially if you're working from a less than ideal setting and want to maintain a professional appearance. So whether you've got a meeting coming up or you just want to add some flair to your next virtual hangout, let's dive into how you can easily change your background when using Zoom on a desktop, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. First, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your computer and sign in with your account details. Once you're all logged in and ready, take a look at the top right corner of the app. You should see either your profile picture or a gear icon up there. Give that a click and a menu will pop up. For this particular task, you'll want to head over to the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the Background and Effects tab. Sometimes this might be labeled as Virtual Background, so just keep an eye out for both possible names. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a few different choices here, which we'll go over in just a second. If you're after something quick and simple, you might like the Blur option. This will softly blur out whatever is behind you, giving you a neat, focused look without too much fuss. Just click on Blur and you're done. Simple as that. However, if you're in the mood for something a bit more exciting, or if you have a specific image in mind, you can choose from Zoom's selection of default background images and videos. Just click on one that takes your fancy and you're good to go. But what if you want to use your own custom image or video? That's easy too. Just click on the little plus icon that you'll see there. This allows you to upload your own file. Make sure your image is in JPG or PNG format, and for videos, you'll need them to be in MP4 or MOV format. Choose your file, and it will immediately become available as your virtual background. Now, if you happen to have a physical green screen, check the box that says, "I have a green screen." This setting significantly improves the quality of the virtual background effect, making it look even more seamless. Once you've made your selection, you can jump into your meeting or start a new one. Your chosen background should appear right behind you, as expected. And there you have it. You're now set up to join calls with a bit more confidence and a whole lot more style. Whether you're bringing a slice of your personality or just disguising a messy room, Zoom's virtual background feature is a brilliant tool to have in your video conferencing arsenal.